Intermittent fasting is a popular eating pattern that has gained significant attention in recent years. It's not about what you eat, but rather the timing of your meals. It's about when you eat, focusing on specific windows of time for eating and fasting. Instead of restricting certain foods, you restrict the times during which you consume them. You cycle between periods of eating and fasting, allowing your body to rest and rejuvenate. This can be done in various ways, and we'll explore some common methods, such as the 16/8 method or the 5-2 diet. Imagine your body like a car that needs regular maintenance. Most of the time it runs on fuel from the food you eat, providing energy for daily activities. But what if you give it a break from constant digestion and let it use stored energy? That's what intermittent fasting does. It gives your digestive system a rest. It allows your body to use stored energy, like burning fat, which can lead to weight loss and other benefits. This way of eating has been practiced for centuries, long before it became a modern trend. Think about religious fasts like Ramadan, which incorporate periods of fasting and feasting. But recently, intermittent fasting has gained attention for its potential health benefits, such as weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and overall well-being. There are many ways to do intermittent fasting. Let's look at a few popular ones. The 16/8 method. This is a simple method where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. For example, you might skip breakfast and have your first meal at noon, finishing your last meal by 8 p.m. The 5-2 diet. With this method, you eat normally for 5 days a week. Then you restrict your calories to 500 to 600 for 2 non-consecutive days. Alternate day fasting. As the name suggests, you alternate between days of eating normally and days of fasting or significantly reducing calories. The best method for you depends on your lifestyle, preferences, and goals. Experiment to find what suits you best. Intermittent fasting has become increasingly popular and for good reason. It offers a range of potential health benefits. Weight loss. By limiting your eating window, you naturally consume fewer calories, which can lead to weight loss. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting may improve your body's response to insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Reduced inflammation. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases. Cellular repair. Fasting allows your body to focus on cellular repair processes, which can have anti-aging effects. It's important to note that research on intermittent fasting is ongoing. While these benefits are promising, more studies are needed to confirm their long-term effects. While intermittent fasting offers potential benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential drawbacks, hunger pangs. It's normal to experience hunger, especially when you're first starting. However, your body adjusts over time. Low energy levels. You may feel tired or sluggish during fasting periods, particularly in the beginning. Nutrient deficiencies. If not done carefully, intermittent fasting could lead to nutrient deficiencies. Ensure you're eating a balanced diet during your eating windows. Social challenges. Fasting can make social gatherings and meals with friends and family more challenging. Listen to your body and consult your doctor if you experience any severe or persistent side effects. Who should steer clear of intermittent fasting? Well, intermittent fasting is not suitable for everyone. Certain individuals should avoid it. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, for example, have increased nutritional needs that fasting may not support. Individuals with a history of eating disorders should also be cautious, as intermittent fasting could trigger disordered eating patterns in vulnerable individuals. People with certain medical conditions such as diabetes, low blood pressure, or other health issues should definitely consult their doctor before trying intermittent fasting. And finally, children and adolescents. Growing bodies require consistent nutrient intake, making intermittent fasting unsuitable for this age group. It's crucial to prioritize your health and consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Intermittent fasting and its impact on health conditions. Intermittent fasting has shown promise in potentially benefiting certain health conditions. However, it's essential to approach it with caution and under medical guidance. For instance, some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may improve blood sugar control and reduce insulin resistance in people with type 2 diabetes. When it comes to heart health, intermittent fasting may contribute by potentially lowering blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, and reducing inflammation. Research also suggests that intermittent fasting may have protective effects against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It's crucial to emphasize that these are potential benefits, and more research is needed. Always consult your doctor before making any dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Getting started. Tips for intermittent fasting beginners. Starting intermittent fasting can feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With the right approach and mindset, you can make the transition smoother and more manageable. Here are some tips for beginners. First, start gradually. Don't rush into long fasting periods right away. Begin with a shorter fasting window, like 12 hours, and gradually increase it as your body adapts. This allows your body to get used to the new eating pattern without feeling overwhelmed. Next, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, unsweetened tea or black coffee during your fasting periods to stay hydrated and curb hunger. Hydration is key to feeling good and maintaining energy levels. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger cues, and don't hesitate to break your fast early if you feel unwell. It's important to prioritize your health and well-being over strict fasting rules. And finally, be patient and consistent. Consistency is crucial for seeing results and making intermittent fasting a sustainable part of your lifestyle. It takes time for your body to adjust to intermittent fasting. Track your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Be patient and consistent with your chosen method. Find a routine that fits your lifestyle and stick with it. Remember, intermittent fasting is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about long-term health benefits, not quick fixes. Ease into it and find a sustainable approach that works for you. Enjoy the journey and the positive changes it brings to your life. Smart food choices for your eating windows. During your eating windows, focus on consuming nutrient-rich foods to support your body and make the most of your meals. Prioritize protein. Protein helps you feel full and satisfied, preventing overeating later on. Choose lean sources like chicken, fish, beans, and lentils. Load up on vegetables. Vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, keeping you feeling full and energized. Choose healthy fats. Incorporate healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil for satiety and overall health. Limit processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, and added sugars, which can sabotage your fasting efforts. Making healthy food choices during your eating windows will enhance the benefits of intermittent fasting. Delicious and easy intermittent fasting recipes. Here are a couple of simple and healthy recipes to enjoy during your eating windows. These recipes are designed to be nutritious, delicious, and easy to prepare, making your intermittent fasting journey more enjoyable. First up, we have grilled salmon with roasted vegetables. Ingredients: 1 fresh salmon fillet, 1 cup of broccoli florets, half a cup of sliced carrots, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. This combination is not only tasty but also packed with essential nutrients. Instructions: preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This ensures that your salmon and vegetables cook evenly. Toss the broccoli and carrots with olive oil, salt, and pepper in a large bowl until they are well coated. Spread the seasoned vegetables on a baking sheet and place the salmon fillet on top. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. The result is a perfectly balanced meal. Next, we have Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. This is a quick and refreshing option. Ingredients: 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, half a cup of mixed berries, which can include strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, a 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, and 1 tablespoon of honey, which is optional but adds a nice touch of sweetness. Instructions: in a bowl, combine the Greek yogurt, berries, and walnuts. This mix is rich in protein, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Drizzle with honey if desired, for an extra layer of flavor. These recipes are just a starting point. Feel free to adjust the ingredients to suit your taste and dietary needs. Get creative and experiment with different flavor combinations to keep your meals exciting and satisfying. Enjoy your intermittent fasting journey with these delicious and easy recipes. Staying hydrated. Best drinks for fasting. Staying hydrated is crucial during intermittent fasting. Here are some of the best drinks to consume. Water. Water is essential for hydration and helps curb hunger pangs. Unsweetened tea. Green tea, black tea, and herbal teas are great options. They provide flavor and antioxidants without added calories. Black coffee. Coffee can help suppress appetite and boost energy levels. Opt for black coffee or use a natural calorie-free sweetener. Avoid sugary drinks like soda and juice as they can spike your blood sugar levels and break your fast. A word of caution and seeking professional advice. Intermittent fasting can be a valuable tool for improving health and well-being, but it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Before embarking on any fasting regimen, consult your healthcare provider, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or take medications. They can help you determine if intermittent fasting is appropriate for you and provide personalized guidance. Remember, your health is a priority. Make informed decisions and prioritize your well-being. Please subscribe, like, and share our channel for more great content.